Let's quickly go through some terminology first and then we shall solve a problem on it. You might have forgotten this terminology, I'm just revising it. Now, what is remainder, what is quotient, what is dividend, divisor, all this. Okay, see this. The remainder is R when P is divided by K. Then we can write it like this. If you are going to divide P by K and Q is the quotient, and if R is the remainder, I am going to write it like this. Mathematically, you can write it this way. So, which means P is equal to K into Q plus R. Now, in order to write them in terms of the general terminology used, P is called as the dividend, which means the number which is being divided is called as a dividend, and the number which is dividing, that is called as the divisor. Okay, K is the divisor, and quotient means how many times you are going to divide it, that is the quotient, right? So the quotient, and remainder is whatever is going to remain when you divide. Okay, now using this terminology you can just try to solve this question. In a division, the divisor is 3 times the quotient and 2 times the remainder. If the remainder is 30, then the dividend is. Now they are asking this dividend, what is the value of the dividend, and now they have given the remainder value. The remainder is given as 30, and also they are giving the relationship between the remainder and the quotient and the divisor. Using the relationship, you can find out these two values. This is already given. Finally, you are supposed to find it out. Let's see how to do this. Given that remainder is equal to 30. Now they are saying that divisor is equal to 3 times the quotient and 2 times the remainder, right? Therefore, divisor equal to 2 times the remainder. Remainder is 2 into remainder is 30. Therefore, 2 into 30 is 60. So divisor you got is 60, right? And then 3 times the quotient is equal to 2 times the remainder, isn't it? And from that you are going to get quotient equal to 20. Now we got the remainder, we got the divisor, we got the quotient. All the three are available. Now you can find out what the dividend is. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So simply substitute it and you can get it. Only thing in this question is you should know what is the terminology, right? So what is dividend, what is divisor, what is remainder. The terminology you should know it. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply. And statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.